Good morning everyone, I'm back with another weekly haul. Excuse the sun guys, it's so bright in here. Anyway, these are my haul from Superstore for this week. Starting off with this instant coffee from Nescafe Gold. I also have 2 boxes of maple leaf cookies. I believe they're $2 each. So this is how it looks like. I also got this Russell Stover no sugar added dark pecan delight chocolate. This was $2.98. This is so good guys. And I also got here 2 packs or 2 containers of this Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. They were, I believe, $3.96 each. I'm gonna give this as a gift. I got my favorite brand of coconut milk, the ROD full fat. I also got 2% of milk. And then I got this classical 4 cheese pasta sauce. I'm gonna make again my zucchini lasagna. I got 2 cans of tuna in water for my kids' tuna omelette or tuna sandwich. I got here mozzarella and cheddar. They're grated. I have ground turmeric. And then from the bulk section, I believe this was around 200 grams of red quinoa. So I ran out of quinoa from Costco and we still haven't shopped at Costco yet, so I just got a few grams. I also got this mega sardines. This is a product of the Philippines. This was, I believe, 77 cents each, and this is the spicy one. And we also have here the hot pepper sardines. I got 2. They're $1.28 each, I believe. And then this is new, at least for me. This is the Philadelphia whipped cream cheese original. So that is how it looks like. I think texture wise this is fluffier than the original cream cheese. And then back here with our back here for our fruits and vegetables, I have 2 packs of my mandarin oranges. So I got 2 para hindi na maubusan. I also have frozen whole kernels. I have Roma tomatoes in here. And this is my favorite vegetable as well. This is the bitter melon. I am gonna make pinakbet using bitter melon, and I have some more eggplants in my refrigerator from last week's grocery. I have here 2 avocados. They're not yet ripe, so this is good. This will be okay in about 2 days. We have this cantaloupe that we got. I also have my husband's favorite fruit, mangoes. I got 3. Of course, we have bananas. And I have here zucchini. I got 4 pieces of zucchini. I'm gonna use 3 for my zucchini lasagna, and the other one I'm gonna just make zucchini bread. I also needed some cilantro. Got 4 pieces of carrots in here, and I have bok choy. This is baby bok choy and French beans. And then last but not least, for our fruits and vegetables section, I've got some 4 baking potatoes. Since Easter is coming very soon, I am planning to make scalloped potatoes. So there you go guys. Onto our meat section. I didn't get a lot because I have some more left over from my last week's haul. But I got this Angus beef from Superstore. It was priced at $8, and I am gonna use this for my zucchini lasagna. And as well, I got this preservative-free or antibiotic-free smoked ham. I'm gonna prepare this for Easter. We also have this preservative-free or antibiotic-free hot dogs and our 18 pieces white extra large eggs. I have this tub of brownies, 2-bite brownies, and this was priced at $5. So if you haven't tried it, go and purchase one. It's really good for your afternoon coffee or tea. I have this sprouted bread. It's a wheat bread, and it's loaded with crunchy sesame and sunflower seeds. I also got an assorted bagels. This is perfect for my whipped cream cheese, and then our favorite light rye bread. Onto our non-food items, I just got some liners in here. It's the girl thing. And then I got Centrum Women 50 and over, and then Centrum Men. But there you go, guys. That was my grocery haul. Sorry for the sun. And thank you for spending time with me. Until next time, have a good day, guys. Bye.